This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheels. Then, using the tool provided in the toolkit, remove the plastic caps from the wheel bolts. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. The wheel arch liner is secured by various fasteners. Prise out the centre pins on the plastic expansion rivets, then lever them from place. The push-on plastic nuts must be unscrewed or prised from place. With all the fasteners removed, withdraw the liner from the wheel arch. Unclip and remove the plastic guard from beneath the rear trailing arm. Raise the trailing arm slightly using a trolley jack. Working inside the wheel arch, undo the shock absorber upper mounting bolt. Note the retaining nut is fitted into a plastic holder which locates into the vehicle body. Apply releasing fluid and clean the lower mounting bolt threads with a wire brush. Unscrew and remove the lower mounting bolt. Withdraw the shock absorber. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into position, aligning the upper mounting hole with the vehicle body and the lower mounting hole with the trailing arm. Insert the upper mounting bolt and tighten it to the specified torque. Insert the lower mounting bolt, but don't tighten it yet. Lower the trailing arm and remove the jack. Manoeuvre the wheel arch liner into position, ensuring it fits within the lip of the wheel arch. Press the plastic push-on nuts into place. And refit the expansion rivets. Secure the rivets by pressing in the centre pins. Locate the wheel over the hub. Align the holes and lightly tighten the retaining bolts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Refit the plastic cover to the wheel bolts. Now tighten the shock absorber lower mounting bolt to the specified torque. Clip the plastic guard back into place on the underside of the trailing arm. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.